Good morning, students. I welcome you all in SST class. So, today we will learn about human interdependence, pollution, and types of pollution of chapter 14, that is environmental concern. So, let us first understand what is human interdependence. Here, interdependence means, what is interdependence? Here, interdependence means a state of being dependent upon one another. Mutual interdependence. One human is depending upon other for one or some reason. Fine. Now here, human interdependence means how humans depend upon each other. Okay, on earth we have different natural resources we are dealing with, and every resource is not also available everywhere, like because of some geographical conditions of that location, climate of that area, soil of that area. For example, mango we used to get in summer season. Okay, apple is grown in colder areas. So this is how the specific things are available in the specific regions. Okay, एप्पल्स कोल्डर रीजन में ग्रो किए जाते हैं, है ना. सो बिकॉज द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस ऑफ फॉर ग्रोइंग एप्पल इज अवेलेबल इन दैट रीजन. टू ईट एप्पल we depend upon apple farmer to grow. Yes, then like this is apple farmer. Fine. Then transporter, we need to provide apple to the vendors, to the local vendors. These are the local vendors. Fine. And then they sell these apples to the market, and then we will get it for our homes. So this way apple farmer is this is apple farmer, that is main producer. Transporter is primary supplier, which supply apples, which transport apples. Okay, people who buy apple people who, the vendors which are just selling it in the market, these are primary consumers, and people who buy apples to eat, they are secondary consumers. These are secondary consumers. So this is how humans are depending upon each other. Fine. Human interdependence is a complete chain of production and supply of human needful things. Yes, so this is how he is depending upon him, he is depending upon him, we are depending upon him. So this is how human interdependence is required. Next, here, see, this has disturbed our balance of nature. Dependency disturbing our balance of nature. For completing our needs, we have started using things in vast manner. Natural resources we need. Yes, increased population has led to the increase in manufacturing of things. ज़्यादा लोग होंगे तो ज़्यादा चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. दैट इज़ रिजल्टिंग द वेस्ट ऑफ मैनी वैल्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज लाइक फ्यूल वी रिक्वायर्ड. As much as pollution is this population is increasing, we required fuel. Fine. We required wood, furniture हमें चाहिए. Everything is we are using in a vast manner. So this causes extinction of some rare species. This is increasing this pollution. Ozone layer is decreasing day by day because of the things we are using in our daily life, like ACs we are using, and that is causing harmful gas. CFC gases coming out from ACs. So this is very harmful. Fine. Now, what is this pollution? Now let us understand what is pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances in our environment, harmful gases, which is making our environment contaminated. Okay, this is release of harmful substances in the air, water, soil that are harmful for environment. Okay, they are called as pollutants, जो कि हमारे environment को pollute कर रहे हैं. Like wood burning causing smoke and other gases are releasing. Yes, industrial these chimneys which are just releasing some of the smoke, harmful smoke and gases which is coming out from industries. Fine. And causing water pollution also, the waste which is coming out from industries. Pollution is nowadays a big problem and causing a lot of diseases in human beings like asthmatic problems, breathing problems, skin problems. So these are the problems which are increasing day by day in human beings. Okay, there are types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and this noise pollution. So let's discuss further. Air pollution. What is air pollution? When harmful pollutants are added in the air, causing air pollution. When our air is become harmful for breathing, for other things, this pollution is caused by burning of fuel, by burning of fuel, the smoke which is coming out from chimneys of factories, vehicles which are causing this fuel, burning fuel. Yes, causing pollution in the air. Burning of fuel release harmful gases and smoke in the atmosphere, causing breathing problems that I was just telling you now, asthmatic problems. So many old people, they are facing breathing problem, lungs problem due to this air pollution. So we should stop using such things in a vast manner which are causing air pollution. Next we have water pollution. When waste and dirty sewage from factories, from homes, from villages, from cities, this is mixed with big water bodies, then water will get polluted, and that is water pollution. Okay, water pollution is the pollution of water bodies such as lakes, river, ocean, and big water bodies, groundwater also, when we are burying just this depositing something in the land. So the underwater, which is underground water, which is contaminated, which is being polluted. It occurs when pollutants reach water bodies without treatment. So if we are not treating these things, this waste will go in water bodies, and this will pollute those water bodies. Sometimes washing clothes, utensils in water bodies, the villagers or you used to, those who live in the nearby areas, they used to wash clothes in the water bodies, in the rivers. Yes, so it is very harmful and we used to drink that water sometimes without treating. So ये क्या करते हैं? They are causing diseases, diarrhea, dehydration. Yes, that is water pollution. Next we have land pollution. Land pollution is a result of dumping garbage, waste and other toxins, other material which are making the land contaminated or polluted, जो कि हमारी land को pollute कर रहे हैं. Okay, we dump garbage and burn garbage on the land, in the open land, that is causing land pollution, जिससे land pollution हो रहा है. Using insecticides, pesticides, fertilizers in the agriculture, that is also polluting the soil. We can control land pollution by disposing garbage on the proper places, far away from the cities, from the residential areas, जहाँ पर लोग रहते हैं उससे दूर फेंक सकते हैं हम. We can stop using these fertilizers which are harmful, pesticides which are harmful. We can use natural manures while farming. Okay, so reduce garbage by reusing some of the things like glass bottles, some of the containers we can reuse. That is how we can reduce land pollution. Next we have noise pollution. We sometimes get irritated due to very loud voice, that is noise pollution. Noise pollution is any disturbing or unwanted noise that interferes or that disturbs you, that harm humans and animals' life, is noise pollution. Various horns in the vehicles, loud music system, yes, now noise of traffic, noise of trains, this noise is making noise pollution, causing noise pollution. So level of noise should be checked, and that should not above 65 decibels, which is, if it will be above 65 decibels, that will be harmful for your ears. So loudspeakers, can harm our ears also. So we should not make noise pollution. So that loss of hearing, that can cause loss of hearing, also stress among old people also. So this is causing noise pollution. Okay, so stop causing pollution. That will help you in removing pollution from our environment. Thank you.